Welcome to Cooking with Anand. Today, we have very special guests,
Hannah!
Anna and Hannah!
Lots of different Anna and Hannah action happening right now. And we are going to be making Super Bowl party food. We're going to be making
Party dips!
French bread pizza and garlic bread and cookies and cream cheese balls!
Yay!
The first Super Bowl party dip we're going to be making is a buffalo dip sauce. Buffalo sauce.
Yep. How do we start off?
We start off with a singular egg yolk. Just one.
Yep. And we're just going to put that right into our, as Hannah calls it, a bowl-shaped blender. And then, what we are going to do after that is we are going to blend it up, and as we are blending, we are going to add in some oil. And what you want to do is, buffalo dip is traditionally made with hot sauce and butter and then some spices. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use half olive oil and half butter for my fat. But just make sure you have 2/3 of a cup total. And make sure you check out the Cooking with Anand website. There's a link in the description below the video to get all of the ingredient quantities. You want to make sure that you put in the oil as slowly as possible.
Why not just put it in all at once on it?
Because if you put in the oil too fast, you can break the emulsion, and that would be bad news. So make sure you put it in super slowly. And you can also do this with a whisk if you wanted to, but we are lazy, so we're going to be using our handy-dandy 21st century technology.
And now we're going to slowly add in the butter.
Which has been melted.
So now we're going to be adding the hot sauce, the vinegar, and the garlic powder. Whoa.
And continue to blend.
Good job! Now you're done with the first Super Bowl dip.
And it should turn like this orangey color. And now you're just gonna put it into your bowl. And make sure you don't over blend it after you add in the liquids and the garlic powder, because it can mess up all the chemistry and other science that's going on that I don't understand.
So Anand, how do you not die from the raw eggs in the sauce?
Well, the way that the bechamel sauce works is that it makes it so that it's safe to eat after you add in the oils and you blend it for a long time, which is the same reason that you can eat mayonnaise, because mayonnaise has also raw egg in it.
The more you know.
And this sauce with some carrots.
It's a party dip.
And the carrots are the same color as the sauce. So.
And just for the record, the hot
It's
sauce...
like I'm eating a chicken wing on my carrot.
But
It's
with
delicious,
carrots.
but healthier.
And the hot sauce that is traditionally used is Frank's Red Hot. However, it's not very spicy, so if you wanted, you could use a hotter hot sauce, or you could add in some extra spice.
Here's with this one.
What hot sauce did you use?
This is good.
Frank's.
Frank's.
Tasty.
Okay, so the next thing we are going to make, the next party dip, is going to be queso, which according to Qdoba is Mexican for cheesy sauce with other stuff in it. So we're gonna start off by grating the cheese.
Wow. So, we have grated 3 different types of cheese here. We have cheddar, we have Monterey Jack, and we have Swiss. And in total, you want to have 2 cups.
No matter, it doesn't matter what type of cheeses you use, whatever you like.
Then, in this pan of a little bit of oil in it, we're gonna add these poblano peppers.
Poblano peppers,
Yeah.
however you want to pronounce it.
Poblano.
It's gonna taste the same. And then you're just gonna stir fry this in the oil for about
Oh no!
5 minutes, or until it starts smelling a little bit roasted. Okay, so the next step is, you didn't get my pun. Oh, okay, you did. Okay.
What?
The next step is to add in the tomatoes.
Wait, why is that a pun?
I'm confused.
Okay, so now, Anna,
Yes!
do the honors.
Now we're gonna sauce all this cheese in here.
Sauce all the cheese. Yeah.
And you're just gonna melt it down.
It's gonna get
It
melty.
looks like a ton of cheese now, but it's gonna like melt down. It's gonna look like a lot less.
Condense.
But the number of calories in it is still gonna be the same, so you don't have to worry about that.
Go ahead.
Okay, now after a very long drawn out cheese pun, we are back and we have a super smooth looking cheese sauce. Now, Hannah,
Now we're gonna add this milk. How much milk is this?
this is half a cup of milk. But remember, all the ingredient quantities are on the website. And now, Hannah, who's doing a lovely job, is just gonna stir that in there.
This looking good. Make sure you turn off the heat after you've added in your milk, and then we're gonna add our spices. It's garlic powder and onion powder.
Yep, and you can adjust it to your taste.
So now we're about to put this queso in the bowl and serve it to our Super Bowl guests.
Which is us.
Which is us, all of the three of us. And four
There's
of us.
four of
Four
us. Five of us. Mikki's here too. She doesn't want you to know it. Sorority sisters in our queso.
Oh,
So it's definitely like cheesy.
It's very
Lots
cheesy.
of
Oh, there's lots of... Can we redo this whole thing?
no, it's funny. I didn't get any of it.
Oh my god, okay, how do I properly... I think
Give me 2 chips.
I got some, and it's tasty. Would recommend.
We're gonna put... You know, maybe we should...
Stop touching my cheese. It's just like Qdoba.
Delicious. Qdoba was right.
Hi! To start off the hummus, we have chickpeas and tahini in a blender. And now we're gonna add cayenne pepper, salt, and a garlic
Garlic pod.
Yeah.
And one quick note,
Clove.
tahini is an optional ingredient, but it is in traditional hummus, so we're gonna put it in.
Tradition.
So when your chickpeas start to become mashed, you're gonna add in some lemon juice.
And that's gonna help them blend out better.
Awesome. Good job, Hannah.
Thanks, Hannah.
It's the Hannah-sode.
Oh! Now we're gonna add in some olive oil.
And continue to blend.
Hey, blending.
And we're also gonna add in some cumin.
Yeah. And now we are done with the hummus.
Yes! It should be really as smooth as you want it. If you want, you can blend it more to make it more smooth.
That's some smooth sauce.
But now we're just gonna transfer it to our bowl, ready to be eaten.
So after you're done with your hummus, we've topped it off with some olive oil and some cayenne pepper. And now you done with all your sauces for your Super Bowl party. And this lovely little platter of junk here.
Props to Mikki for cutting all the vegetables for us.
And it's really important at your Super Bowl party that you have some healthy food because it's just great because you need to feel good the next day. So make sure you have some healthy food that you can now lather in your fat and sodium filled dips.
Yes, sodium! Yo!
Can I eat
Okay,
this?
now let's try it.
I want
Anna, come in here.
Woo!
My vehicle, cucumber.
Mmm.
That's good.
Oops.
Okay, well, subscribe right there. Look at my other channel by clicking right there. And then see the video for the French bread and the pizza bread with Hannah, other Hannah, right
Hannah.
there.
Me, Hannah.
And the cheese ball video right there. Bye!